Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Iri and in this channel I'll be showing you the whole process of transforming my balcony into mosaic. Today I would like to make some more tiles, specifically the bigger 3-petal ones in purple, because I realized in this size I made all colors except for purple. I'm currently using dark blue, light blue and purple, so I got like 3 times. I would do 3 petals, maybe I'll do a few of 2-petal ones as well, and then also some centers, just because I didn't do many of these. I did like 3 or 4, and I would love to have plenty more, although I'm not sure how many. I'll probably end up having to make some more in the future. So, to make my tiles, I like to use 2 tile strips. These are 8mm because that's about the height I want my tiles to be. They don't have to be perfectly on plane level to each other, but I would like them to be similar in height. Then I'll be using a kitchen rullo. I don't know, rullo. I will write it in English somewhere in this video. To cut out the shapes, I will use this, and finally what I use to make like the proper shape is some cardboard cutouts. These are the 3 different sizes I have, and this is the one I'm gonna use today. These are from like milk cartons because we buy like 12 at a time. To make 20 for starters. That's 5 big flowers, 20 of these, 20 of the 2-petal ones, and if this side is not perfectly nice and smooth, because I'm actually gonna smooth it by hand, and then the bottom side is gonna be the face of my tiles. So now that I made the shapes, I just have to let them dry a little bit so they're not so fish-like, and then I can shape them up and make the incisions for the petal. Let me show you what I mean. So right now this side is at the bottom, and once I smooth them all around, I will make these red incisions. These incisions that then later I'm gonna paint in red. So now we play the waiting game. Never mind what I just said. Instead of playing the waiting game, I'm just gonna make some of these. And hopefully when I'm done with these, about the same amount, I made 20, I think. 20, 16, 18, that type of amount. Yeah, after that, we're gonna smooth the prettiest ones, put these to dry, And then while we wait for these, I'll make a couple of these as well. Not as many because I won't use it as much, but just to have them, just in case. And if I don't use them, I can always recycle them into something else. Doesn't really matter if this side doesn't look perfect, just because we will put glue on it and stick it to the wall. So officially finished carving and smoothing out the tiles. Now we wait till tomorrow for everything to be ready, and maybe, no, that's it. Actually, that's it. We just wait. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.